What color's the alligator?
Yeah.
That one, the
Good
green one?
job.
Good job. How about this apple? Red. And pig is what color? Pink. Pink. Polar bear is white. White. We don't know where the black one is.
Oh, the piano's missing?
Yeah, the piano's missing.
Where's the piano?
No.
No, it's not there.
What'd you say? Chick was?
You should either under the rug or under the little couch. Well, it goes with piano.
Black is piano.
Black.
Yeah, black. It'll show up.
Yeah.
So you could say yellow.
Uh-oh.
Can you say yellow?
What color is this one?
No.
Yellow? Yellow. Good. Purple?
You can say white.
Why?
White.
Purple.
You say pink.
You say orange? I'll hold it. Can you say orange? Blue? Blue?
Can you do it all over?
What's that one?